everyone. Today we are diving into measurement system analysis (MSA) and importance of accurate measurement in design. Measurement is the backbone of precision engineering, ensuring that designed parts meet specifications and functions correctly. Let us explore why MSA is crucial. What is MSA and why is it important? MSA evaluates the reliability of measurement systems used in manufacturing and quality control. This ensures consistency in measuring part dimensions, reducing variability in production. This is used alongside PPAP to confirm the accuracy of the critical dimensions. Example: checking the thickness of a door trim. If the measurement system isn't reliable, inconsistent thickness can lead to assembly issues, misalignment, or even aesthetic defects at some point of time. So, what are the key components of MSA? First, bias, the difference between the measured value and the actual dimension. Next, linearity, how measurement accuracy changes across different part sizes. And then, repeatability, whether the same operator gets the same measurement repeatedly. Reproducibility, whether multiple operator gets the same measurement. Stability, consistency of measurements over time. Example again, verifying an injection molded plastic component. Small dimensional variations can lead to gaps or rattling issues in door trims. Requiring accurate MSA is very key here. Now let us see MSA and its role in design engineering. This helps designers define realistic tolerances based on achievable precision. This ensures proper calibration of measurement tools used in production. This validates manufacturing capability even before mass production. This improves GD&T implementation by ensuring critical dimensions are accurately measured. Example again, CNC machining of metal brackets. A poor measurement system could cause incorrect hole placements, leading to improper assembly fit. What could be the best practices for MSA and measurement accuracy? Use calibrated instruments for high precision measurements. Perform regular MSA studies to ensure consistent results. Train operators on accurate measurement techniques. Integrate MSA feedback into design modifications for better manufacturability. And that's an overview of MSA and the importance of accurate measurement in the design. Without reliable measurement, even the best designs can fail in production. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more engineering insights.